everyone, welcome to today's crafting program. My name is Dabney. I'm the adult librarian with the Twin Lakes Libraries and I use they, them pronouns. For today's craft, we are going to be making a werewolf face mask. So I'm just using an old face mask that I have and some glow-in-the-dark puff paint, and there's all different kinds of masks you can make. I just kind of went on Google and looked up werewolf face mask and tried to get an idea of what I wanted to do. And what I'm going to do is actually do some teeth. So doing like the upper jaw and then the bottom jaw and having the teeth like this. And so I'm just kind of going to be looking at the picture and referencing it and kind of freehand drawing my design on the mask. There are other ways you could do this. You could, print out the picture and, cut out a template, kind of like a stencil, and do it that way. You could potentially do like a trace and transfer. But for this, I'm just going to try and, copy what I see, and we'll see how that turns out. So I'm going to turn this down so y'all can see what I'm working on. Okay. So, hopefully we'll have enough puff paint to go around. Okay. So I'm going to start with the big teeth first. Just kind of get an idea of what size I want, and then next to it do like another one. And if this doesn't look like a werewolf mask, it could potentially look like a mask of Venom, and I'm all about that. If y'all didn't know, there's a Venom sequel coming out, and I'm very excited about it. Also, we did this week's Must Read Monday video was about werewolf books. So check that out and, get some books, add them to your reading list. I was listening to Lobisona by Romina Garber and actually finished it last night. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. And it was definitely like a unique werewolf story. And like world building, I'm all about that. Okay. So it's got the longer teeth coming down. Alright, so this one, it kind of looks like the big teeth are kind of coming up above these smaller teeth, like up into the gums like that. So, this is what we've got so far. Like I said, it's not super fancy, but it's working. Okay, pop this little bubble here. Okay, now the bottom teeth, gotta be a bit more careful, making sure that lines up. And I don't know about y'all, but like my face, I feel like it's kind of small, and like when I put on masks, they always look they like swallow my face. And I'm not doing the best job on these teeth down here. Because they kind of bumped into the other ones. And let's see, they looked looked like they did a couple little teeth here. Little werewolf baby teeth, maybe. I think there's also a little one up here. So do that. And one more. Okay, not the best job I've ever done. And then puff paint, it takes, several hours to dry. But there we go. We're gonna put this on like that. I think I probably should have done the teeth a little closer together and made these maybe a little bigger. Uh-oh. I just got puff paint on my sweater. Great. Yeah, be careful with your puff paint because it's wet. And yeah, let it dry first before you trying it on and moving it around like I just did. But yeah, that is our craft for today. Hopefully you can try that out. If you don't have puff paint, fabric markers work well. If you have like a mask that is a color, or if it's white, you could color on that maybe with Sharpies. It's gonna wash off, but you could try that if you wanted to. If you've got, I don't know about sewing on the mask, but I've seen like all kinds of cool masks people are selling. But yeah, that is our really basic and easy craft for today. And I hope y'all are having a good week, and I'll see you next week for our final episodes of the Summer Reading Club. We're going to be talking about mermaid books, and we're also going to be talking about making a mermaid sand craft, and that's going to be our final take-home craft of the summer. If you haven't picked up a take-home craft, you can still go on our website and find the link and reserve a craft bag, so you can get candy sushi. You could get stuff to make a beaded keychain, to make dirt cake, to do origami, all that good stuff. But yeah, I will see you all next time. Bye!